I've been working hard on perfecting thumbnails for a long time. I've analyzed the thumbnails of every popular creator and studied different strategies. Through trial and error, I've discovered valuable insights that haven't been widely shared. In this video, I want to share everything I've learned with you and show you how to create something similar. Let's dive right in. So, let's start by talking about why the YouTube thumbnail and title are super important for a YouTube video. Alright, so when we're making YouTube videos, we gotta put ourselves in the viewer's shoes. Cause let's be real, the first thing we see is the thumbnail and title. And even if our video is the bomb.com, it all comes down to that thumbnail and title. I mean, who's gonna click on a video with a junky thumbnail? So when you're making a YouTube thumbnail, you gotta make sure it connects well with the title. Think about it. Someone sees your thumbnail and it catches their eye. The next thing they're gonna do is read the title. So if we want a great thumbnail, we gotta have a great title too. For example, this channel right here. His thumbnails are simpler but highlight the key points in his videos. Also, the thumbnails and titles are connected. He uses unique titles that are made from already working style titles. Let's see how you can create something similar. Secondly, I am going to teach you how to create something like this. Let's go back to the video. Normally, the first thing I am going to do is come up with a title. For example, when I am creating a video, I go to my note app and open a blank note. After that, I will write about 3 to 4 potential titles and head to vidIQ and then to the AI generator. After that, I am going to put my idea and generate several titles. Finally, I will choose the best 2 titles, just like this. You can do the same to create any titles for any video. Also, there are many great tools out there to generate titles. When I am done with a certain title, the next thing I am going to do is open Photoshop, create a new project, and start designing. Keep in mind, when designing a thumbnail, make sure to keep all the text and elements you're using are visible from every aspect ratio and highlight the key point in the video. For example, this one right here. Also, keeping your design simple can easily grab the attention of the viewer. After that, make sure your thumbnail is bright and colorful. Bright colors tend to grab people's attention and make them curious about what your video is about. Next, choose an image that accurately represents your video content. The image that you choose should be specific and relevant enough that it helps viewers understand what they can expect from the video. Add text to the thumbnail. This could be anything from the title of your video to a catchy phrase that makes people want to click on the video. But make sure the text is clear and easy to read, even in small sizes. Another factor to consider is the layout of your thumbnail. Make sure the elements of your thumbnail are well organized and positioned in a balanced way. I use thumbs up to review thumbnails that I have created. This way, I can ensure that they are readable on all devices without any distractions. Also, I use Adobe Color or Canva color palette to match the colors properly. Additionally, I use Leonardo.ai to generate AI images. Finally, I use Flaticon or Freepik to get any stock icons or graphics. One thing to remember is not to be afraid to get inspiration from others. Also, you can use a thumbnail designer from Fiverr or Upwork if you want. So, I think you learned something from this video. Stay with us to get updated on the latest tips and tricks.